Welcome back to Advocate Club. Today we try to summarize the Supreme Court judgment on mandates minimum practice of 3 years as advocate to enter judicial service. Please like, share, subscribe for more updates. The Supreme Court of India case addresses issues concerning qualifications, promotions, and selections within the judicial services. The petitions concern restoring a 25% quota for limited departmental competitive examinations, LDCE, for promotion, reducing minimum experience requirements for examinations, reserving quotas for meritorious candidates, determining quota calculation methods, introducing suitability tests, and restoring minimum practice requirements for civil judge, junior division. The court considers these issues and provides directions. The court considered 8 issues regarding judicial promotions, including restoring a 25% quota for limited departmental competitive examinations, LDCE, reducing minimum experience requirements for LDCE, reserving quotas for meritorious candidates, determining how quotas should be calculated, introducing suitability tests, and restoring minimum practice requirements for civil judge, junior division, applicants. The court requested responses from various stakeholders regarding these issues, particularly concerning the impact of Bar Council of India regulations on minimum practice requirements. The court heard arguments from the amicus curiae and counsel for stakeholders and decided all 8 issues. The court considers restoring the 25% quota for limited departmental competitive examination, LDCE, promotions to the district judge cadre, as previously mandated. This follows the Shetty Commission's recommendation for 25% direct recruitment, advocates, and 75% promotion from the subordinate judiciary to the higher judicial service. The court aims to improve the subordinate judiciary's efficiency and incentivize advancement through objective testing and merit-based promotion. District judge recruitment will be 50% by merit cum seniority promotion, 25% by merit-based promotion via limited competitive exam, requiring at least 5 years service as a civil judge, and 25% by direct recruitment of eligible advocates. However, the 25% limited competitive exam quota was reduced to 10% due to difficulties in filling those positions. Past experience suggests reducing the 25% quota to 10% because the quota's intended goal was not achieved. The court order modifies district judge recruitment to 65% promotion, 25% direct recruitment, and 10% limited departmental competitive examination, LDCE. If the 10% LDCE quota isn't filled, the vacancies are filled by promotion. Some high courts want to restore the LDCE quota to 25%, with unfilled seats going to promotion, others want to maintain the 10% quota. The court will consider restoring the 25% LDCE quota, addressing concerns about insufficient eligible candidates. The court considered increasing the LDCE quota to 25%, ensuring unfilled positions revert to merit-based promotion to avoid impacting justice administration. Regarding minimum experience for the LDCE exam, while a previous ruling reduced the requirement to 5 years for Delhi, other high courts and state governments largely opposed further reductions, though some suggested reducing it to 3 years. Kerala's government and High Court recommend reducing the minimum experience requirement for a specific judicial position from 5 to 3 years. Several high courts recommended reducing the minimum service requirement for district judge promotions, varying from 2 to 3 years. State opinions differed. Chhattisgarh's government supported reduction while its High Court opposed it, the reverse being true in Manipur. Gujarat had an inconsistent system, requiring 2 years for one quota and 5 for another. A comparison across states showed that the time to qualify for a lateral entry, LDCE, is roughly equal to the time for regular promotion to district judge. The text discusses incentivizing meritorious judicial officers through accelerated promotions. It proposes reducing the minimum experience for eligibility in the LDCE, limited departmental competitive examination, from 5 to 3 years, while maintaining a minimum of 7 years cumulative experience. A 10% quota for promotion from civil judge, junior division, to civil judge, senior division, via LDCE is recommended, requiring 3 years minimum experience. Finally, a uniform practice of calculating LDCE quotas based on cadre strength, not yearly vacancies, is advocated. States are filling vacant posts based on total cadre strength. To maintain uniformity, LDCE quotas should be calculated using cadre strength. The Supreme Court mandates a minimum 3-year legal practice requirement for civil judge, junior division, applicants, reversing a prior decision. This is based on feedback highlighting issues with inexperienced judges. High courts will use a merit-cum-seniority system for promotions, supplemented by competitive exams, with 25% of higher judicial service posts filled via merit-based promotion. Suitability will be assessed based on various factors including judgment quality and performance. High courts and state governments have deadlines to implement these changes. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel.